What's the meaning of complementation? Complementation. Complementation.
Complementation. Complementation. Complementation refers to the addition of a necessary element to complete a situation or concept. It is often used in language study to describe the way in which certain words combine with others to create complete sentences. In grammar, complementation typically involves adding a complement, such as an object or adjective, to a verb or noun. The result of complementation is a more fully formed and complete expression of an idea. For example, the sentence "she ate" is incomplete, but becomes complete with the addition of a complement, "she ate pizza."